Come and meet the animals on the farm. Feel the soft, fluffy chicks. Cheep, 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 cheep. Cheep, 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 cheep. Pet the velvety, smooth horse.
We didn't see this is fox nose.
That's his nose, yeah. Nay.
We did see a couple fox.
Oh, did we? Tickle the sheepdog's furry tummy. Nora, what's he say? What's the sheep? Woof, woof, woof.
We saw a show dog.
We did see a show dog. Touch the lamb's thick, woolly coat. Nora, what's a lamb say?
We saw him.
We did see it.
Ba, ba, ba.
Ba. Scratch the pig that's bristly head.
Let me see your piggy face, Nora.
Show Mama.
Oh, and a good piggy face. Let me see your piggy face, Harlan.
I'm the daddy.
Harlan, did you have fun on the farm?
Yeah. I like seeing the animals.